Sheldon Ray here, Manager of Advanced Technology Products at Lincoln Electric, and I'm in Lincoln Electric San Diego, where we design our portable mechanized solutions, such as our Apex and Helix products. Now in this video, I'm going to show how you can use the Apex to control your welding process to ensure that you're always compliant with your welding procedure specifications. So from the home screen, I'm going to press Setup, and then I'm going to move to the Increment screen. Now on this screen, I have control of everything from the units I'm using, whether I'm using imperial or metric units, to the increments and the minimum and maximum values I can use for each of these. So the first line item is my wire feed speed. That's currently set for an increment of 1, which means that anytime the operator toggles, it's going to move up in 1 inches per minute. I can also set the minimum and maximum values. So it's set for 50 and 400 respectively. Now if you wanted to tighten this down, all you would do is go to the one that you want to change and use the toggle to toggle it up or down. After that, you have the voltage. So that is also available to be adjusted from minimum to maximum values. And you have your amperage control, which is used for the automatic height control. Following that is the travel speed. How slow do I want to allow the operator to set the helix, or how fast I want them to be able to travel? And then you have your oscillation width. So for weaving left and right, how far do I want to allow them to set that? Following that is the weave speed, how fast to transition from each of those states, and then that is followed by the dwell. How long do I want to allow them to have stops on each side of that? Now, while these are set in absolute values currently, you could also set them up in relative values. Now, what that means is I can set an actual percentage. If I have a welding procedure that allows for plus or minus 10% on wire feed speed, voltage, and amperage, I can actually set that up here as well, so I don't have to go and put in discrete values for each of these fields. Now that is all for now on this solution. For more information on this and other Lincoln products, go to lincolnelectric.com.